Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can remove policy issue from Facebook page. In order to remove policy issue from Facebook page, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. The first thing, you have to log in into your Facebook page. So in my case, I'm already logged in. After you're logged in, now you have to tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side and here go to professional dashboard. After you click on professional dashboard, it's going to take you to this page where you have to swipe towards the left hand side and go to monetization. So to remove the restricted monetization policy issue from your Facebook page, you can start by thoroughly reviewing your Facebook monetization policies and guidelines. You can also ensure that the page complies with all requirements and rectify any violations or issue that may be causing the restrictions. And sometimes you also need to verify your feed. Make sure to go live for a certain period of days so that the Facebook will notify the person in the document is actually you. So that's how you can remove policy issue from Facebook page. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.